What's up you guys, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today I'm finna be replacing the door handle on my sister's Jag. If you happen to own an XJ6 from the year 1995 through 1997, it's very common for the handle cable to break on this end and also from the bottom. This little plastic retainer clip will crack and come loose, and then the actuators will start malfunctioning. They won't work and you won't be able to lock the doors. So I got this door handle cable from sngbarratt and I'm finna be installing it on the passenger side. Let's get to it. Begin by using a small flathead screwdriver to remove the cover located behind the door handle. Unscrew the door handle. Gently press on the wood panel while sliding it towards the steering wheel to remove it. Remove two fillet head screws, including the one that's hidden underneath the grommet. Then pull out the retainer clip near the hinge. Remove the top half of the door panel. Undo the top screw. Remove the hidden screw underneath the armrest. It's usually covered, but this one doesn't have one.
Guess we could just leave that down there. No, we can't do that. Gotta take it off.
Pull out the bottom of the door panel and unplug the connectors from the light bulb, window switch, and speakers. Gently remove the door panel insulation to access the cable. Remove the lock pin. Remove the secure clip. And the cable from the actuator. Remove the 10mm door handle bolt and the Phillips head screw next to it. Pull out the door handle cable and install a new one in its place. While installing the cable and clip into the actuator, it might be difficult. I was having a hard time, so I use a small hook tool to pry it into place. When putting back the lower door panel, make sure to reinstall this retainer into the door to properly secure the lower door panel. Alright, let's find out and see if it works. First, let's check if we can open the door.